Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install the blueprint framework on your Pterodactyl panel. First, we will define the location where our Pterodactyl panel is installed. Guys, guys, I will give this all command in description. Guys, first we want to copy this, then we want to open VPS, then we want to paste this. Okay, this is the folder. Then we want to add this nebula.blueprint file inside this, guys. I will give in description, guys, all file and all command, guys. Let's hit upload. We want to check, guys, this file. Guys, this file already uploaded. Then we want to uh then we want to first we want to paste this command, guys. Hmm. Second step, we want to install and update our packages. Sudo apt update. Let's update, guys. Then third step, when paste sudo apt install icon w get unzip. Okay. This third step. Next, move into the pterodactyl installation directory, guys. cd pterodactyl. Then, guys, fourth step. Download blueprint framework, guys. We will download the latest blueprint release directly from GitHub. Then we want to paste here. Okay, guys. Let's install it. Guys, step 5. Now we want to extract downloaded zip file, guys. Step 6 is install blueprint dependencies, guys. On this. Then, guys, uh, we want to add node and repository, guys. Then we want to we will now add official Node.js repository, guys. Then guys, then we want to add this command. Then guys, update the packages list and Node.js, guys. Once again, we can do all. Let's update, guys. Guys, it's done, guys. It's done now. Uh, sorry. Now we want to paste this. We want to update our Node.js. It's done, guys. We want to install yarn, guys. The Pterodactyl. I think so already in Pterodactyl directory. We want to install this. Guys, we want to install now front end dependencies, guys. Okay, we want to install front end dependencies. Let's install, guys. We want to wait for this installation. It's installing, guys. It's installing. It's finished. It's installed, guys. Then we want to configure our file, guys. Then we want to configure our blueprint. We want to copy echo to this command. Last. Then, guys, we want to make blueprint executable. That in step. Then, guys, we want to now run blueprint installer. Now getting installing. It's asking, would you like to put your application into maintenance while blueprint is installed? Confirm yes, guys. Why? It's installing all, guys. It's installing all entries, guys. We want to wait few minutes. Let's it finish installed full. Guys, that has been installed, guys. Then we want to Nebula theme installation, guys. We already pasted our Nebula blueprint file inside our directory. Then we want to paste this. Thank you for purchasing Nebula. It's installing, guys. Then press enter for continue. Just enter continue, guys. Just enter. This is successfully installed. Then we want to restart our services, guys. Sudo system ctl restart nginx. For we want to reload our all pages or files. Then, guys, it's optional, guys. We can check our panel, guys. We can check our panel. Then I am going to open my panel dot. Guys, successfully installed, guys. You can check and configure. Guys, we can add your website link and something. Guys, I'm this is file is paid, guys. I'm giving for free. This have more functions, guys. Icon, we can change the custom icon, guys. Custom. Mm, I'm changing. This is what I think so. This is done. You want to close? Okay. Take my two extensions. It's loading, guys, because guys successfully installed Nebula, guys. That's it. You successfully installed the Blueprint framework and Nebula theme on your Pterodactyl panel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn off notification for more Pterodactyl tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below, and I will happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.